Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato salad with beets. This delightful dish combines earthy beets with tender potatoes for a unique flavor profile. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including about 2 pounds of potatoes and 1 pound of beets. You'll also need a few simple pantry staples for the creamy dressing, ensuring a delicious and satisfying side dish for any occasion. Next, let's prepare our main components. Boil your potatoes in salted water until they are tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. For the beets, you can either boil them or roast them until they are soft. Once cooked, peel the beets and then cut both the potatoes and beets into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures every bite has a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Now, let's create the delicious dressing that brings everything together. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a bright, zesty note. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill and chives, then season with salt and pepper to your liking. This dressing will perfectly complement the earthy vegetables. The final step is to assemble our beautiful potato salad. In a large bowl, gently combine the cubed potatoes and beets. Pour the creamy, herb-infused dressing over the vegetables. Carefully fold everything together, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly coated without mashing them. For the best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this delightful and colorful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.